together. Put our hands together. We are one. Can't divide us.
So I'm in Maun. Here for a Herbalife meeting, but yeah, it's low key. I'm with my sister and my brother-in-law, my sister's husband, obviously. Yeah, but anyway, yeah. So we're in Maun and we have a Herbalife meeting to attend tomorrow. It's a low key vacay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a low key vacay. And yeah, we're excited. This is my first time in Maun. Thanks. It's your first time or not?
My first time.
What does feeling mean?
It means that I'm not with parentals or.
Oh, okay. All right. So yeah, we are here. We just got here about 30 minutes ago, I think. I'll say about 30 minutes ago. So yeah. It's quite interesting. I can't believe we are here. We saw elephants. It's an interesting trip, but yeah, we're here and let's see how the rest of the weekend goes. Go old school. We'll use our fingers to apply eyeshadow. The most basic one that I have. This is so ghetto. This is the absolute ghetto. This is the final look. Not sure if I'm gonna put on a red lip or not, but if not, it'll just be this. I'll just put on some lip therapy. It'll make it a bit glossy and such. But yeah, we're late, so now I'm going to see what else I need to do. Finishing touches, but I'll talk to you guys when we're in the car. guys, so this is just going to be a quick one. I didn't end the vlog yesterday because I got home really late and I was just too tired, but I just wanted to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know how your weekend was, what your favorite part of what you saw was. Yeah, and subscribe if you haven't already, and join this amazing family. I'm in the office right now, so I have to make this really quick. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video or vlog.